After 20 years from its launch, Microsoft said it'll be retiring the famous web browser Internet Explorer in June 2022, and when Windows 11 was released in late 2021, Internet Explorer was missing from it. Yes, as a matter of fact, I would want you to search it now, and no matter what you do, you'll not be able to find it, and sadly it cannot be downloaded. Now the question is, has it really retired? Hey there, my name's Rohit. And in today's video, I'll share with you a few sneaky ways by which you can start using Internet Explorer once again in Windows 11. It'll be a straightforward video, so let's begin. I have my Edge browser opened up here. First step will be to click these three dots on the right side, then go to Settings. On the left hand side, select Default Browser and change the second option to Allow. Now open a website where you are facing trouble, and on the same tab, right click on it and you'll see an option Reload tab in Internet Explorer mode. Select it and the page will reload in the Internet Explorer compatible mode. As an indicator, you'll see the Internet Explorer icon in the address bar alongside. Now, this is the main way to open Internet Explorer compatible websites, but there's a quicker way to do all of this. Under Settings, go to Appearance, scroll down and you'll notice Internet Explorer Mode button. Enable this and an icon will show in your toolbar next to the extensions. So next time, whenever you land on an incompatible website, you just have to click on this icon, which will load the page as per Internet Explorer compatibility. And for those who regularly visit an Edge incompatible website, go to Settings, select Default Browser once again, and under the third option, you can create a list of websites that will open in Internet Explorer mode for the next 30 days. This way you avoid step 1 and 2, and the browser will load directly as per Internet Explorer mode. That's it. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.